Hi customers, welcome to Tech Zone. We are into electronic security and automation products. We are dealing multi-brand products for CCTV, HD and IP, fingerprint and face attendance system, access control system, fire alarm, boom barriers, turnstile, ID cards, etc. Is your attendance recording system safe and secured during this pandemic, COVID-19? Is your biometric recording safe from coronavirus spread? Now this is the fingerprint system normally we use to record our staff attendance. So people always used to place their finger on the place where the sensor is available. So by doing this, there may be a chances if someone has coronavirus affected or any infectious virus by chance, those virus will stick on to the prism. So next time when the other people place the finger to record their attendance, they may be prone to get affected by the virus. So this is the risk we have in fingerprint system. How do we overcome this risk? Yes, we have the solution for that. We have solution to record safe and secured attendance. It is important to mark attendance by avoiding common and multiple touches by humans. So how do we do that? It's a question mark. The simple and safe way to mark attendance is face recognition. Now this is the face recognition device whereby people no need to touch the device physically. Though we have fingerprint also in this, it can be used in future scenarios. Now here is the camera we have, and this is the display where when we show the face to the camera, that will be displayed in the display. So we need to look at the camera here, and we have LEDs around which will be enabled in the case the lighting is low. So the face will get captured, and as we have registered already with the biometric device with the face reader, as and when people are coming and going in the morning and the evening, they may have to just flash their face onto the camera, and the moment they show their face onto the camera, the attendance will be recorded very fast. Maybe we can say 1 to 2 seconds of time. So there is no physical touch by humans on the device, and through this we can 100% avoid a spreading of the virus, COVID-19 or any other virus on our recording system. Attendance recording system. Please contact us to place your order at 9176 111 000. Thank you for watching us.